So hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's video I'm gonna walk you through how to add current location to favorites, so in Waze app. So as we know that Waze app is a very useful app because Waze is a navigation app that provides real-time traffic updates, faster routes, turn-by-turn direction, alerts for hazards, speed traps and road conditions. And to add current location to favorite, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. First thing, you need to open your app Waze, and you can see the various options over here like home, work and many and more. And at the very last there is the option more, and after clicking on that you need to click on the very first option, that is add a place, and you can simply search the address where you go very frequently. Like I would like to search the option New Baneshore, and after clicking on that you can click on the option done, which is highlighted in color blue, and after clicking on that you can see here is the option Naya Baneshore or New Baneshore is saved, and whenever you want to, you have to go to New Baneshore, you can simply click to this option New Baneshore and your map will be navigated directly, so or automatically. So that's how you can add your current location to favorite in Waze app. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.